Welcome back. The third lesson in this intermediate passive section is to go outside. And I want you to find somewhere calm and peaceful. If you live in the woods or near a forest, then go in there. Find a rock, lean against a tree, something like that. Or if you live in a large city like New York or London or something, then try to find a park where there's not happening too much. And I want you to sit down there. Now this will be it seems not like a big deal, but compared to sitting inside in your own home in a chair, sitting outside with everything that's happening there, even in the woods, is another ball game. And so you will be bombarded by a bunch of other kind of reflex thoughts here that is not coming when you're inside in your own home, especially if there's people around you. But try to limit how many people there are. And of course there will be birds chirping, maybe dogs, depends on where you are, cars maybe, people riding a bike. Lots of things happens and you're outside. As you got the wind, you got the weather, you got everything happening outside. So here I want you to sit, being aware of your breath. Only your breath. Just ignoring every thought that appears, going back to your breath over and over again. And I want you to sit there in 30 minutes, another session for 45 minutes, and the last I want to last for 60 minutes, an hour. Now we're getting to, this is a different level from where we've been. At the same time, if you have really mastered every level when you've been on up until now, you should be quite ready for this. You're well acquainted with the silence you are by now. Now we just need to expose you to different situations, different locations, so you can learn how to deal with, or rather ignore, every mental thing that appears as a result of the environment you find yourself in. So no matter the environment, you need to be able to let your attention rest on your breath. So take this week, I'd say, and try to sit outside, maybe different calm places. If you got a wood, got a forest where you are, then go find different locations in that forest. If you have multiple parks to choose from, sit in different parks for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and 60 minutes. And then come back here when you're ready for the next lesson.